Hello everyone, I'm Amy from the Columbiana Public Library, and as part of our summer reading program this year, we are going to imagine our story with food. Today I'm going to show you how to make another treat using a mug and a microwave. We're going to make a pizza in a mug. You will need refrigerated biscuits, pizza or spaghetti sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and of course your mug. Now the first thing you want to do is spray your mug so everything doesn't stick. Then you need to take a refrigerated biscuit, those are the biscuits that are in the can, and put it down in the bottom of your mug. Now we need to microwave this for about 30 seconds so it can start cooking the biscuit. Now there's different kind of biscuits you could use. This is just your regular buttermilk refrigerated biscuit. There's also ones that are a little bigger if you would prefer those. Any of them will do just fine. Now once you've microwaved your biscuit for 30 seconds, then we're going to add all the good stuff. First you want to add a couple tablespoons of your sauce. And some of your cheese. Really, you could use pretty much as much cheese as you would like, but don't go too overboard or it'll get a little cheesy. Then you can add your toppings. Now you can add whatever toppings you like. Today I have pepperoni. So you lay those on top. Now we need to put this back in the microwave for 1 minute. Couple little safety tips. This is going to be hot. So when you take the mug out of the microwave, you want to make sure and do it with the handle. Maybe even use a pot holder if it's something that you're concerned about. But you're going to be amazed how saucy and cheesy this is. Who would have thought you could make pizza in a mug with a microwave? We got about 30 seconds left. Ooh. I know you can't hear, but I can hear it popping in there. That's probably the cheese all melted. Oh, yes. And look what we've got. Cheesy, saucy goodness. Well, that is pizza in a mug. I hope this has inspired you to make your own lunch sometime. And I'll see you again soon.